Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites, Python 3, 10 or newer, pip, and sufficient disk space. Once done, place Llama model weights into a model/directory so the loader can find them. Next, install Torch with CUDA if you have an NVIDIA GPU. Make sure your drivers match CUDA. Then pip install the Llama loader package and any tokenizer dependencies. These initial steps get you into a runnable environment quickly, and they prevent wasted time troubleshooting missing packages. You now load the model and configure runtime settings. This is where choices matter. First, call the loader with the model path and tokenizer and inspect memory usage reports. Once loaded, set context length and batch size to balance performance and accuracy. If you're limited on RAM, enable 8-bit or 4-bit quantization. This reduces memory but slightly changes behavior. Make sure to pin the model to the desired device and test a short prompt so you can measure latency and adjust parameters before heavier use. You finish by running realistic prompts and observing outputs for coherence and tokenization artifacts. Once satisfied, export your configuration and save a checkpoint so you can reproduce results later. If you need production performance, batch requests and use streaming outputs. If something breaks, first check Python, Torch, and loader versions, then confirm model and tokenizer match, and finally inspect GPU memory or quantization settings. This single troubleshooting path resolves most issues quickly, so you can.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.